Welcome back to Tuesday Tips. I'm Josie, and today I'm going to give you a few ideas on how to create a welcoming foyer. Lamps are a great addition to a foyer. Not only do they add ambiance, they're also a warm welcome after a long day on the boat or dinner out with friends. Upholstery is a great way to soften the space. A bench or a chair is a great spot for guests to kick off their shoes when they come in the door. Rugs are a great way to spice up the foyer. It's an easy way to add color and texture and bring your personality into the entrance of your home. This is another great example of how a rug can transform your foyer. This particular sample has a pop of blue with some neutral, and so we just coordinated it with some accent pillows, and this can give your entryway a whole new feel. Thanks for joining us for this week's Tuesday Tips. Now you have some great ideas to go revamp your foyer.